Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF by email directly from Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a super convenient feature that lets you share documents without having to download them first or open your email client separately. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your credentials. This ensures you have access to all your saved files and the full range of features that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your documents. Now navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDFs you've recently worked with, making it easy to find what you need without having to browse through folders. From here, select the file you want to send by email. Simply click on it to open the document. With your file open, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on Share. This button is your gateway to all the sharing options Adobe Acrobat provides, whether you want to send via email, create a link, or use other methods to distribute your document. Next, select your preferred email option. For example, if you want to use Gmail, click on Gmail from the list of available email services. Adobe Acrobat integrates with various email platforms, so you can choose whichever one you normally use for your communications. Gmail will now pop up in your browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials at this point. Once you're in, you'll see a new email draft already created with your PDF attached. This seamless integration saves you the hassle of manually attaching files and switching between applications. Now type the recipient's email address in the To field. You can add multiple recipients if needed, and you're also free to customize the subject line and add any message you'd like to include with your PDF. This gives you the flexibility to personalize your email before sending. Finally, click Send. Your PDF will be delivered straight to the recipient's inbox and you're done. That's how simple it is to send a PDF by email directly from Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, streamlining your workflow and making document sharing effortless. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.